Hi, Dan Clark with you here today in beautiful Bay Indies, just minutes from those Gulf beaches. Beautiful breeze here today, 90 degrees. I know it's starting to get cold up north. I got a home for you to come on down to right here. 1282 South Indy Circle, down in the back of the park where the lots are bigger. Nicer area in the back here. Pool just down the road a little ways. We're on the lanai here today. Nice front lanai screened in. We're going to step inside and show you the rest of the house. Coming on into the living room. This is a 1985 Barrington, 24 by 45. With the front lanai, we've got the higher ceilings, being in the 80s home, beautiful wood floor. We've got fans, it's been updated. This home's been well maintained. We've got newer air, newer floor, newer appliances. It's been painted, vapor barrier's been done. Everything's ready to go for you. Well maintained home. We're going to slide over here. We've got a dining room with a nice built-in. We're going to go down the hall here. The wood floor extends down this way. We've got a nice guest bathroom. Across the hall we've got the master bedroom with a master suite, master bath off to the side. Again, painted, fans, carpeted floor in here. Nicely done guest master bath with a walk-in closet. And we've got a large guest bedroom as well, a good-sized guest bedroom. This home comes mostly furnished for you. Got a lot of stuff to get you started. Bring your stuff, mix it in. You'll have a great home here in Bay Indies. I'm going to finish up back here in the circular kitchen. If we walk back down the hall, again, nicely done. Still got the wood flooring, lots of cabinets, updated appliances all the way around, good counter space. Nicely done home here. Again, very well maintained by these folks that have been here for several years. If you're looking for a well-maintained home on a great lot, just down the road from the pool, just down the road from the beaches, we've got it here for you at 1282 South Indy Circle. My name's Dan Clark, 207-807-7537. Give us a call today.